Did you know that 20 to 50% of valves in water distribution systems need repair, are non-functional, or worse, are non-existent, and this often goes unknown? Completing planned projects or emergency maintenance with these unknowns can pose health and safety hazards for your work crew and the community at large, requiring complete shutdowns that increase cost, create delays, and disrupt water to residents and important facilities like schools, hospitals, and fire departments. HydroStop, the leader in valve insertion technology, has solved this problem with the Insta-Valve. The Insta-Valve can be installed under pressure where a control point is needed, without shutting down. This permanent asset provides a safe, efficient method for valve insertion that can save an average of 40% by preventing the loss of treated water and eliminating 100% of incremental costs associated with planned or emergency shutdown. Take back control of your system with Insta-Valve by HydroStop. Request a presentation today to learn more.